Let's fix this update error. In the first step, click on search, type CMD. From the search results, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Then select S and it will open command prompt window. Just type CLS to clear screen. The commands are little lengthier, so I have made it really simple for you. I have created a list. We will copy and paste them from there. So let's quickly open Chrome browser to open list of commands. Now search for house.tech Windows commands. You might be surprised how my Chrome is looking so attractive. So the reason is I was actually bored with the normal white Chrome theme. So I installed this extension on my Chrome called Anim Search. If you also want to make your computer a masterpiece, then I am putting the link in the description. Click on first link, which is from house.tech. You should see commands on the top. Click on that. This is the place where we add necessary commands for the fixes we need. Now we need to reset IP address using command number 17. Copy it, go back to command prompt, right click to paste it. Hit enter and execute the command. Type CLS. Now let's execute flush DNS command, which is command number 5. Execute it. Now we will renew the connection using command number 4. Copy and execute it. We also need to reset socket connection, so execute command number 16 to that. Now keep the list open and move to the next step. Now go to search bar and type PowerShell. Right click here and select run as administrator. Then select S. Now type this command wauclt.exe/update now and hit enter. Now type exit to close this. Again go to search bar, type Troubleshoot and open it. Now click on Troubleshoot and go to Windows Update and click on Run the Troubleshooter. It will take some time to detect the problem, so wait for it. Now close the troubleshooter. Now go to Recovery tab. Click on Restart now. Wait for some time. On this blue screen, click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Now click on Startup Settings. And click on Restart. Now press 4 or F4. Now you are in the safe mode. Now open File Explorer. Go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open software distribution folder. Select all these files, right click on it and select delete. Now go to start icon, click here and select restart. That's it guys, your problem will be solved, you're good to go.